Hello everyone, it's Kay here. Welcome to my first ever episode of Math Shorts. So, why are we here today? What are we gonna talk about today? Well, we're here to talk about this. Here is how to solve a quadratic function, and let me show you how to draw a graph out of it.
Okay, let's start, shall we? So here's our question. X squared plus 8x plus 15. Yo, Kay, how are we gonna solve this thing? What the heck is this supposed to be? Alright, let's try to solve this in under 2 minutes, shall we? First of all, we need to find the y-axis intercept. So first of all, you need to know the y-intersection point. ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is the structure of this. So the y-intersection point is c. And what is c here? It's 15. So y-intersect equals to c equals to 15. And let's search for the x-intersect. First of all, let's make two brackets like this, with x's in the front. Then take a look at the question again. What in what number when added equals to this, and if multiplied equals to this? The answer is 5 and 3. So x plus 5 equals to 0, x plus 3 equals to 0. X equals to minus 5 and x equals to minus 3. That is it, guys. We got the x intersection. After we're done with the x and y intersection, the next thing we will do is to search for the axis of symmetry, which will be x peak and y peak. But now what we need to do is search for the x peak first. Okay, so how are we gonna do it? X peak equals to minus b divided by 2a. This is the formula, guys. Then we're just gonna look at the b and a. So what is the b here? The b is 8, so it's gonna be minus 8. And the a is 1, so it's gonna be 2, 1. So this will equal to minus 8 divided by 2, which is minus 4. This is our x peak. Now, if x peak is found already, we can find the y peak. So for the formula of y peak, you're just gonna need to follow this. So it's gonna be y peak equals to f minus 4 equals to 4. This is a minus, and square plus 8 minus 4 plus 15. And this equals to 16 minus 32 plus 15 equals to minus 1. And this is our y peak. And that is basically how you solve a quadratic function. But Kay, how do you draw the graph? It's easy. Let's open a new page. So I already draw the base of the graph here, and now what are we gonna do is to sketch down the graph. What are we gonna do first is to mark the x-intersection. Remember that previously the x-intersect is x equals to minus 5 and x equals to minus 3. So let's put the mark right at the point of this, minus 3 and minus 5. There you go. And then you can insert the x peak and y peak. Remember the x peak? It was minus 4. So it's here. And then the y peak is minus 1 over here. And from here you can already sketch down the graph. Here is what it will look like. Ta-da! We're done sketching the graph. Yay!
So, what do you think? Pretty easy, right? And it's literally under 2 minutes. I'll see you in the next Math Shorts. Bye!